Okay, we finally got some parts to put the iron head back together. I was waiting on this rear seal. First thing in goes in with the crank. I had to go in and figure out what the torque was because the book was inside. I thought, you know what, I should be filming this. So you didn't see me set the bearings, but there is a top and a bottom. The bottom bearings have a hole in them to match up with the hole in the block. So if you're putting them in, you want to make sure you put them in correctly. And they've got a little notch in it, so you can't really screw that up. And your main caps, if they're not marked, you want to mark them before you take them apart. These were marked, one, an F with an arrow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, forward. All right, so we're going to start torquing it. Start in the middle, work your way up. It's 65 pounds torque, but we're going to sneak up on it. We're starting at 50, and we'll go up to 65. All right, we're going to go up to 65 now. And we'll be done with that. Start the middle again. See the arm flexing? Oh, yeah, that's how you get big and strong. All right, that's how we do that. See if it still turns. Oh my goodness, with no effort. Look at that. Let's see what our end peg is, if we have anything. Oh no, we're tight. Hey, I'm digging it. All right, at this point, we're gonna roll it back over. And it's time to put pistons in. I did get them yesterday from the machine shop. I'll show them to you. Oh, before I roll it over, the way this configuration, number 4 and number 1 are going to be on top dead center at the same time. 2 and 3 would be on bottom dead center. So when I go to install pistons, I'm going to put in 1 and 4, roll it over 180 degrees, so these are closer, make it easier. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. You know what? No, I'm not. I'm going to actually do that this way. I think that would be easier. I think. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. on the pistons before we do anything. All right, let's get the pistons out. Spin you around this way. Beep, 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 beep. Oop, there you go. Come over this way. I got something dripped on my flywheel. Look at that. Dang it. I don't know why. That just makes me mad. Here's our pistons. All pressed on, cleaned up, looking pretty. Ooh. Very nice. And this is a number 3. A number 3. This was a number 1. A number 4. A number 2. Now these weren't marked when I took it apart. So I took a center punch, punched them all, punched them on the top so I know which was forward. And this little notch on the front tells me it's going forward. This little notch here tells me it's going forward. So everything was installed correctly. Yes, yes, indeed. So we gotta ring up the pistons and put our bearings on them and then install. Yes, indeedy. Finally, Dave's getting to see me do something. I hope you're enjoying this, Dave. Now this little beauty is a ring compressor. And it basically fits over the piston. Oh, I might have to get my other one out. This one might not be big enough. Oh, I think, yep. Goes over the piston, tighten these bands up with this little 1/4 inch, tighten them up so it squeezes the rings tight, and then drop it in the block, tap it home with a wooden handled hammer, and Bob's your uncle. There you go. My mom used to say bippity boo. Everything is bippity boo, something like that. Yep, yep. Here's our rings. They come with directions, the instructions. Tickety boo, that's what it was, she said. Tickety boo. Everything's tickety boo. Oh, I don't know. Oh yeah. Might have to sit down and read these for a minute. Not. Oh, part of it's in Espanol. Wally? That's my grandson. Y'all know my grandson, WR4, from RC Cars, Stock Cars, and more, with WR4. He's got to learn Spanish this year in school. So Bub's going to give him a hand, you know. Espanol, Senor Walter. Gracias. Huh. Huh. These guys. Top groove. Okay, top groove. This is top gun. This is second gun. All right, good deal. And the bevel goes. The dot goes up. Where's the dot? Top. I see it. It's marked. Because there is a top and a bottom. It actually has very fine print. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it with my triple bifocals. But see, there's like a little bevel, usually the bevel goes down. And if it had a dot, the dot would go up. And this is my second, okay, yep. All right, we're gonna put the O-ring on first. I'm gonna do this over here. I'm not gonna keep moving it back and forth. It's just gonna be easier for me to clamp this in the vise and put the rings on. I guess I can spin it around, huh? That would be the thing to do, Bob. Alright, let me spin you around. Keep you in the loop. Alright, so I just got it clamped in the vise, making things easier. I like to put the splits on the side because this is the, like the pressure side. There's nothing going on over here. So if you're gonna have a gap, put it on either side. Same with these. And I will split the difference. This one I have the gap on one side, and the other I have it on the opposite. And again, this one has a little bit bigger groove than that one. It will also go down. Now they make a special pair of pliers to make your life easier to get these things on so you don't break them. But these are going on pretty easily. I use snapper pliers because I have them. All right, number one is done. Number one. Number one. Watch out for number one so you don't step in number two. Now, this may be a little boring, but this video is for Dave. He wanted me to work. Always working me. I get plenty of work done, Dave. You just don't see it. I work better at night. I do most of my work at work at night. It's still dark out anyway. I was at work today at 10 minutes after 1 a.m. on a machine at 11 minutes after 1 a.m. Busy day today. Busy. Had to go to Pine Ridge. They blew up their loader. The whole front spindle assembly, it's 4-wheel drive too, blowed out. $5,000 worth of parts. Yeah, I ain't even bullshitting you. I ain't food line. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Parts won't be until Thursday. I'm thinking about taking off Friday. Nah, can't leave them hung. The other mechanic, my good friend Jerry, he's vacationing down at Chincootooth, having a good time. He's a subscriber. Hey Jerry, hope you're having a good time. Number 2. Okay. Number 2. Oh, she's gonna run good. I'm telling you, I ain't even food line. Brand new bearings, brand new pistons. She's gonna be purring. Oh yeah. Now, brother-in-law Ted, if you're watching, you see me doing something wrong, definitely leave a comment. I don't want to do this twice. I know you're the Jeep expert. It's been a long time since I've worked on a Jeep. I had a Jeep fetish for a while. Got over it. All right. That's 2 down, 2 to go. Like Chuck Woolery, 2 and 2. You guys probably don't even know who Chuck Woolery is. It was a dating game. It was kind of after the dating game. Oh, Chuck Woolery. Very pretty. Pretty, pretty. Uh-oh. We may have a situation. Yeah, we also had a major parts delivery from the parts ferry. We got a big box here. We got some oil, got some cleaner, got a whole bunch of boxes in there. Looks like rotors and drums and such. We got a big box over here. Looks like calipers and such. Oh yeah. We're in business now. Ain't no excuses. Oh, you gotta get something done. Gotta get something done. She will run out of here. She will drive herself out. I have to push it, drag it, tow it. But when she leaves, she will be putting, steering, stopping. And I ain't even food line. That is no Bob. Bingo, bango, bongo. Top Gun. Did you guys go see that Top Gun movie? Oh no, I saw Top Gun original. I thought it was a sausage fest. They're all sitting around in the locker room in towels, foot up, scratching their balls. What the hell? Playing volleyball, sweating all over the place. Come on. I don't know. Not my kind of movie. American Graffiti? That's my kind of movie. Or John Wayne. I like my John Wayne. I ain't food line. Of course, Clinton. Who doesn't love Clinton? Not Clinton, Clinton. Saw a porno once. The woman in it looked like Hillary. I don't know. I didn't stick around. Wasn't my kind of crowd. Last but not least, this is the wiper ring or the oil ring. Where she be? Where she blows? Oh, I guess you guys want to come back around this way, don't you? Hey, you guys start to get on my nerves. Now I know I don't film when I'm doing this kind of stuff. I need to concentrate so I don't make mistakes. My customer, my buddy, he would not be happy if I make a boo-boo. Because boo-boos cost money. Okay, I like them. That's what I wanted. I just what I wanted. All right, let's look around here. Don't like to rub a lot of this stuff after it's cleaned with red rags, especially, or anything like microfiber, because those little crumbles come off the rag and get stuck to this stuff. So you really want to kind of be careful about that. I see guys wiping rags on stuff and then go service a transmission or something 6 months down the road and the filter's all clogged up with red felt from the rags. Little assembly lube. Those tough on my fingers. Sore on your finger. Alright, now this guy, this is number 4. It would be ready to go into the engine. We're not going to do that right this yet. I'm going to get the cap ready to go and number 1 ready to go. That do you. Alright, I gotta get some other shit set up for when we start installing pistons. One of which is my automatic transmission oil can. Oil can. Gotta hang that back up on mailbox post. Alright, you with all the other ones, because you do one, you do them all, you know what I mean? You're picking up what I'm laying down. Where are you at? Where are you at? Oh no. Oh, there it is. There it is. Don't panic. I nailed it. It's all good. Everything is good. No need to call 911. Mole cam. All right, we're going to number 4. Can you see all this? Can you see this? Let me bring you back this way. I don't know if I'm going to get you everything. It's going to be a little bit. A little bit. All right, you're going to have to live with that. All right, this is the one we're putting in. Number 4, this is the ring compressor. Screw a little automatic transmission fluid in here. Rub it around a little bit. Put it on our number 4 piston. Something like this, as you can see. That is not nearly tight enough. Oh, you want to squirt a little bit of transmission fluid in there as well. Need the lubrication. Lube. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Make it slick. Slick. Buddy up the road used to have a dog named Slick. Ooh. Almost forgot. Almost forgot. Want to put a little bumpers on here so it doesn't scratch my crank. You know what I mean? Look out! Son of a... Somebody could have been killed. Don't worry. Nobody was harmed in the filming of this video. Not yet, anyway. Alrighty. Look out! All right, back to where I was 80 minutes ago. This is just so the studs don't nick the crank when it's sliding down in there. You know what I mean? need to tighten her up a little bit. That's the tight she's gonna do. This is the part I always hold my breath, because you can easily break a ring at this point. If you don't have enough lube on it, or this thing tight enough. Something ain't right. Something ain't right. I see what's going on. Hello? Sounds like somebody came in. Oh yeah, see I'm not all the way on. All right, let's try it one more time. Something ain't right. What's going on? I'm not a happy camper. That should be on there. Not doing his plans here. This thing I want to do is break a ring. Yep, slipped out. Slipped out. All right. Well, I might have to get me a different ring compressor, because I didn't get nothing but the old ring in. So, I'm dropping back 10 and punting. It's getting late in the day. I'm hungry. And I'm so close I don't want to screw something up. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget, heard the first rating on roller derby. Like, share, comment. Leave a, tell a friend. subscribe. Well, you know, all that crap. All right, see ya. Have a lovely day. What the hotel is going on with this thing? Dang it.